Meanwhile, Dr. Tufton says the government is continuing its push to secure vaccines on the international market in order to inoculate the country against the deadly virus. He admitted that Jamaica, like most developing countries, has been scrambling to secure sufficient vaccines.
To date, we are about 190,000 vaccinated in the country, which is not it's a good start. I'm sure there are others who would have gone abroad and come back and have gotten their vaccines here, so it's a little higher than that. But what we have done, 190,000 or thereabouts, the additional amounts that we got this past week will allow us to speed up the process a little more. So we do have some commitments that will come. We really need to fill the gap between now and that time. And there are some things we're working on which I think will do us well. But we have been steady in the vaccine program, not as fast as we would like, but largely because of a lack of vaccines.
And 4 more people have died from COVID-19 in Jamaica, pushing the death toll to 964. Meanwhile, 80 new cases of the respiratory illness were recorded on Friday from 2,173 samples. The country's case count is now 48,901. In the meantime, 146 persons are hospitalized with the virus, 7 of whom are critically ill. There are 21,456 active cases. Over in St. Elizabeth, 15 people were prosecuted for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA, in Santa Cruz. The police say the persons were taken into custody for failing to wear masks while in public spaces. Corporal Desroy Holness, who is attached to the Santa Cruz Police Quick Response Team, spoke with our news team.
We have to understand COVID-19. It is real. It is here.
So what will happen to persons, and what warning would you like to send to persons?
I would like to warn the citizens of Jamaica and in St. Elizabeth here to wear your mask every time. That's the way forward.